Imagine your house filling up with trash because no one ever takes it out. This is exactly what happens inside your body as you age. Your cells accumulate trash, broken proteins, old organelles, and damaged parts that slow you down and lead to disease. But the good news is your body has a built-in self-cleaning system that can sweep all that trash away and make your cells act young again. It is called autophagy. But here's the catch. It doesn't turn on just because you skip one meal. It takes time. Let's walk through the full journey, stage by stage, so you'll know exactly how long you should fast to reach maximum autophagy. Let's start at the very beginning, stage 1, which is 0 to 4 hours after your last meal. We call this the growth phase. You just enjoyed a nice dinner, maybe some chicken, veggies, a little rice. Right now, your body is in building mode. Insulin is high, and your body is busy digesting and storing energy. Think of it like the builders are working and the cleaning crew is on a coffee break. There is absolutely zero autophagy happening here. Your body is running on the food you just ate, specifically glucose. You feel full, satisfied, but no real repair is happening yet. Now we move into stage 2, which occurs between 8 to 10 hours. The food from your stomach is gone and your insulin levels start to drop. This is crucial because insulin is the enemy of autophagy. Your body begins dipping into stored sugar, your glycogen. Think of it like your body saying, "All right, let me use what I already have," but still, autophagy is barely waking up. It's like your cells are stretching, yawning, looking around, thinking, "Are we really doing this?" This stage is important but not powerful yet. Seniors especially may stay in this stage longer because metabolism slows with age. Stage 3 kicks in around 12 hours. This is where light autophagy finally begins. Your cells start cleaning tiny things, little damaged proteins here and there. It's small, but it counts. Many people notice they feel clearer or less bloated at this point. If you stop here, you get some benefit, but nowhere near the real rewards. This is like tidying your desk while the rest of the house is still messy. Keep going. Stage 4 happens around 16 hours, and this is where things get interesting. Now your insulin is low enough for your body to start burning more fat for energy, and autophagy picks up speed. It's not the maximum yet, but it's strong enough that real repair begins. This is why so many people doing 16.8 fasting feel better over time. But if you want deep autophagy, you don't stop here. Stage 5 arrives around 18 to 20 hours, and for many adults over 40, this is where real fat burning and real cellular cleanup start happening. Imagine your body bringing out the bigger cleaning tools, repairing old mitochondria, reducing inflammation, and improving energy production. People often notice clearer thinking, reduced bloating, and a calmer mood as ketones rise. Many say their brain fog lifts and their body feels lighter. But we're still not at maximum autophagy yet. We're close, but not there. Stage 6 is where maximum autophagy kicks in for most people, and this usually happens closer to the 22 to 24-hour mark. It's the deep clean cycle, breaking down old tissues, clearing damaged cells, and switching on longevity pathways. Seniors benefit the most from this stage. Benefits can include reduced joint stiffness, improved metabolic flexibility, lower inflammation, and better insulin sensitivity. Early research on extended fasting also shows increases in stem cell activity, which may support healthier aging. You don't need to do this every day. Once or twice a week is enough to get powerful benefits. And finally, stage 7 is the sweet spot after your fast. This is when you break your fast smartly, with protein, healthy fats, real food, so your body can rebuild stronger cells from the material you give it. If you break your fast with sugar, bread, or processed snacks, you undo much of the benefit. But a clean meal turns all of that autophagy into real, visible results. Better skin, better energy, better weight control. So what is the verdict? How long should you fast? If you want daily maintenance, a 16 to 18-hour window works very well. But if you want max autophagy, the deep, restorative cleanup inside the body, 24 to 30-hour fast is the most effective. You don't need to do this often. Occasional longer fasts are enough. A quick word of caution before you try it. If you take medication for blood sugar or blood pressure, or if you are underweight, avoid prolonged fasting without speaking to your doctor. Safety comes first. If you feel dizzy or unwell, stop. But if you feel good, you can continue. Give your body the chance to reset and repair. Try a gentle fast this week. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep getting healthier together.